Cleaning equipment in place used to involve barricading off large areas of workspace, leaving your employees without access to even general areas of your plant. In addition to losing both valuable time and money, you had to worry about the potential of costly environmental incidents and exposing your employees to process effluents. And then you had to pay someone even more money to clean up the surrounding area after the work was finished. Not anymore. After careful research and development, we have created new methods to make your job safer, cheaper, and easier. With innovative new products such as the Blast Bag and Flange Wrap, you can avoid environmental nightmares and keep the work in your plant flowing smoothly, even while equipment cleaning is taking place. When you want the additional protection and liquid containment for the everyday task of cleaning heat exchangers, piping, bin fan aerial coolers, and other types of equipment, you need the Blast Bag. Blast Bags are specifically designed and tested to fit on the open ends of piping and other equipment to minimize potential spills and releases. When used properly, the Blast Bag contains the majority of wastewater in product. It also contains any overspray, which protects surrounding piping and equipment and shields personnel from flying debris, high-pressure spray, and reducing their exposure to chemicals. The Blast Bag's heat-welded NPT fittings allows wastewater to be routed to your containment vessel of choice. Blast Bags are tested to 40,000 psi with standard hydroblasting temps and can withstand solvents, caustics, acids, and hydrocarbons. They are available in various sizes to accommodate virtually any application. When you are dealing with first-line braking procedures, pipe leaks, and line washout tasks, Flange Wrap has you covered. Flange Wrap has been designed, tested, and proven to provide additional protection and liquid containment, especially for these kinds of applications. Applicable for both horizontal and vertical pipes, the heat-welded NPT fitting allows you to direct the effluent to the secondary containment vessel of your choice. The easy-to-use straps and flexibility make for simple installation and disposal. Like the Blast Bag, the Flange Wrap minimizes contamination exposure to personnel and equipment and greatly reduces costly cleanup time. Flange Wrap is also manufactured to withstand solvents, caustics, acids, and hydrocarbons, and is available in various sizes to accommodate practically any need. Cost efficiency is the bottom line for both the Blast Bag and Flange Wrap.
The Blast Bag and Flange Wrap is not expensive. They are designed to be disposable. We did that because we don't want to have to worry, our clients have to worry about cross-contamination of products and having issues there.
The cost on these things is, minimal.
Yeah, it's priced good enough.
Almost disposable.
Get rid of it.
Get another one and go to the next project.
It's not a very expensive product. Ranges from a little over $200 to in the $500-$600 range. But with comparison to cleanup after a hydroblasting or a spill, that could run into thousands of dollars.
Well, the bag actually does sell itself.
Yes,
it's just common sense.
The product is very cost efficient.
Flange Wrap reduces cost by controlling exposure from first-line breaks where known or unknown process effluents may reside. This reduction in cost is realized by minimizing personnel exposures as well as cleanup costs. You may not need Flange Wrap on every line break, but it only takes one spill or exposure. You wish you would use one. An ever-popular subject in today's business world, the Blast Bag and Flange Wrap both fit right in line with going green. Utilizing both products allows you more control over unanticipated spills and contamination. This not only protects the environment, but also reduces exposure to costly cleanup, as well as environmental permit exceedances. When installed and used properly, the Blast Bag contains the majority of wastewater and buildup when cleaning exchangers or piping. Blast Bag allows wastewater and sediment to be routed to containment areas for later disposal. It also protects personnel, surrounding equipment, and piping from harmful overspray. The Flange Wrap, when installed and used properly, allows for more process control over first-line breaks and unexpected pipe leaks. Even though piping should be virtually liquid-free prior to opening, it may occasionally contain residual effluents. Without the Flange Wrap, that would likely end up on the ground or in surrounding waterways. Instead of incurring the costly cleanup and disposal of plastic, plywood, and sand dikes, just slip the blast bag or flange wrap off and dispose of it in the proper waste container. As we all know, a safe workplace is everyone's first priority.
When you do go into a guy's facility like that, you want to leave his job site as nice, if not better, than it was when you found it. This product actually gives you an opportunity to do that. We've never had that before.
Wrap the bag on, get to work. You can get them back up more expedient, quicker, and cleaner.
Both products take up minimal space and allow other personnel to maintain access to the general work area while hydroblasting is performed.
Being able to contain, if you're using like an acid or a caustic or whatever it is that you're using, to me the safety side of being a safety manager for my company, hands down, there is nothing out there right there to contain it and can protect my employees like this particular product can do.
Protecting personnel and expensive equipment is essential to keeping a plant up and running at maximum efficiency. A properly installed blast bag or flange wrap will help protect personnel from airborne debris, harmful exposure to chemicals, buildup, and high-pressure sprays.